Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dr.Fone channel. Today, we're excited to introduce one of our newest features, recover data from iCloud Backup. With this feature, you can easily download and recover photos, files, messages, contacts, and more directly from your iCloud Backup. Let's see how it works. First, open Dr.Fone on your computer. On the main interface, click Data Recovery, then select iOS. You'll now see the option Recover Data from iCloud Backup. Click to continue. Next, sign into your iCloud account securely. Dr.Fone will begin verifying your account information. Please wait a moment while the verification process completes. Once verified, you'll see a list of available iCloud backups linked to your account. Choose the backup file you want to recover, then click Download. Dr.Fone will begin downloading your iCloud backup data automatically. After the download is complete, all your backed up data, including photos, videos, messages, files, and more, will be available for preview and recovery. Simply select the data you want and restore it easily, and that's it. With Dr.Fone, recovering data from iCloud Backup is fast, secure, and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials from Dr.Fone. Thanks for watching.